Yeah, it would probably work better with your tires slowed down. We're out in the Nevada desert looking at really steep hills that we've decided not to climb because we don't know where they go. And old mining and crap everywhere. Trying to get to the top of a hill or a mountain. I think it's a mountain. It might be a mountain. It's pretty big. Oh, I guess we're going up this super steep hill. To see what percent we're at. Oh God, this is steep. Oh my gosh, honey.
Chris, I don't know what I'm supposed to do when I get to the top.
Yeah, I don't know what's up there. Well, you're only at 15 right now. Do you want me to go scout?
I'm gonna go back down.
Okay, you hit 21 at one point.
Yeah, that's not too bad.
It's not terrible. But
Leave your camera out of the way, though.
yeah, it's pretty steep though.
Yeah, let's do that.
Just looking at the sky.
I don't know what's going on at the top, though.
Yeah. Oh, you're coming off the right side there.
You gotta get used to those trails again.
I know, we haven't been out four-wheeling in a while. Just a little practice run for Death Valley here. And the wind is blowing like 20 to 40 miles an hour.
Definitely don't want to back off an edge around here.
No. Could back right into a mine.
Yeah, go straight off the sides.
And that too. It's a little bit steep around here. Okay. We're in Tonopah, Nevada, by the way. There's a cute little town of Tonopah. Cute might be a stretch. It's kind of historic. Kind of.
Which way we came from this way, didn't we?
Yeah, we came from this way. Might be able to go that way and go down in the valley.
I don't even know where that goes.
Oh, I don't know.
Go back there.
Oh, it just goes down in the valley there. It kind of turns into a
these are all mines.
goat
right here.
trail.
We're just going over them.
Uh-huh.
That's the town right there.
It is, yeah. Town's just laid out right there. It's a historic mining town. Okay, there's a little mountain we're headed to. Let's see if we can find a way up it or not.
Only two-wheel drive.
Oh, you're right. It's like 16 degrees. So I don't know. It's hard to tell how steep that might be up there.
I don't think it's any steeper than this.
Oh, okay. Alright, well, we'll see. Oh,
Big hole. I don't know. Which one looks better? Left or right?
I don't know. I mean, right, it looks easier. Well, actually, I don't know. Now that we're close. I don't know. They look really similar. I don't know. I think you can make either one, so up to you.
Go down this one.
Okay.
Don't go the right one.
Okay. Well, this is like the far right. Yeah, I was thinking middle right. This
Yeah,
one?
I'm not going across there.
Oh,
I'm trying
okay.
to go down.
Oh, it's already go down. Okay.
Boy, it's windy.
Oh my gosh. It'll blow us over. I might feel better about this if you were in four-wheel drive, though.
Yeah, okay, do that and get over there.
Okay. There's a big storm over there. We've seen some storms on this trip so far. Oh, but nothing crazy. Well, I guess it did snow and hail last night, but you didn't see any lightning or anything.
Yeah, doesn't look bad from here.
No, it looks, I don't know, it looks kind of steep near the top. So, I don't know, I guess we'll see. It's 14. It smells like sagebrush. Yeah, that last little section looks kind of steep, but I don't know, as you get closer, it usually looks better. So, this is 17. It's probably not any steeper than that.
So.
Famous last words. There's 20, 21. Yeah, that little rocky section looks a little bit steep. 21, 22. Yeah, this looks like the steepest part. 23, 24. But nothing off camber, it's just straight up. 25, 26. It's pretty steep.
Yeah, look at the hill down. Look at the valley.
Yeah,
down
it's
there.
a really pretty view, isn't it? Look at that. Whoa, he's distracting me. I think there's a mine right there. Like a trough. It's really pretty here.
What's most we've been up to? 30?
I think 27 going uphill.
What were we at now? Just 27?
26.
Getting up there then.
Yeah, we're pretty close. Maybe we've been up to 30. Maybe that one we did at
We had to
Moab.
be higher.
I think maybe we were close to 30 or at 30.
30 or 34.
Oh, downhill for sure we've been higher than 30, but I'm not sure on the uphill. Oh, now I can only see sky. Wow, look at that view.
Gotta be able to turn around too.
Oh yeah, there's that. Well, there's another road that goes on, so should be fine. That is quite the view. Big rain band out there. It's raining out in the distance, kind of all around us. Yeah, this is not even that steep. 14. Just looks like you're climbing up to nothing. There's Mike looking out over his side.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of rain bands out there. It's definitely some dramatic scenery here. Another little steep section right at the top here, but nothing crazy.
Just need to be able to turn around.
That's the key. You don't want to back down that?
No. Where does the road go?
I don't know. I'm guessing it goes over the top, but I just see rocks. Huh. Well, wow, this thing's pointy. There's not much room at the top of this thing. Wow, that's kind of off camber. Oh, I think that is the other road.
Where's the other road?
The left. I think it continues. But I don't know where the road is going off of there.
Coming up the hill.
Oh, I don't know. I'll have to go. I might have to get out and look.
All right, I'm gonna turn around here.
Jeez. That's a very pointy hill. Oh yeah, it keeps going.
Right here and then back up.
Okay. Okay, man. That is crazy windy. Look at this view. I mean, this is 360 of just... Can't hear a word you're saying. What'd you say? I don't know. Okay. You got plenty. You're good. You have a couple more feet if you need it. You got it. 3 or 4 more feet. Okay, that's good. Oh, I can't even get in.
Careful.
I'm being
Don't break
careful.
my door.
What about me? Break me.
Well, you can be fixed.
Can I?
Oh, where's my wind meter?
Oh, I don't know. Oh my god.
I can't see anything out front.
Oh, I
You're
see
telling me
why.
to go forward. You're
Yeah,
like,
you had plenty of room.
it's like I can't see anything.
Oh, but you need to go forward now.
Yeah.
Okay. You don't have any more room to go back. Oh my gosh, that hurt to be out there. That was just like, it hurting my ears. That is one crazy view. But everything, my eyes hurt, my ears hurt. That is crazy windy out there. I'm done. You going back?
Get a picture.
Okay.
Yeah, it's hard to open the door.
Yeah, it is. And it's cold. It was 50 degrees. Said it felt like 32. We're about 700 feet above town. We're at 6,700 feet right here. And town is at 6,000.
Well, that's the one to the right there.
Oh, okay. I didn't even see it join.
It's right there.
Jeez, that's steep too. Holy cow.
Yeah, it goes straight up.
Uh-huh. I think that's
Definitely gained altitude quickly.
Yeah, no kidding. I think that one's steeper.
There.
Yeah, it looks like it really plunges straight off. Kind of turns to the right. I don't know. It's probably fine, but
I don't see anybody down here either.
huh?
There's no like crazy people out here.
Uh-huh. Probably because it's blowing
Oh, yeah,
1,000 miles an hour.
Rain right there.
Uh-huh. I don't think it's hitting the ground, but it's raining. Trying to rain. It's trying to rain over here too in this whole valley.
Yeah, see, that's what I was seeing is that whole tower and all that stuff over there. But then I saw this one here. That one looked like it's way beyond this one.
Right.
As it looked.
The distances here are really weird.
Solar farm is to the right back there. I can see that back there. From my
Oh. Oh, it's past the dunes. Yeah. Can't see it, I don't think. That might be the dunes right there with the big dust devil in it. I don't know. Pretty wild. Record
Look at that. We're just dropping off the edge.
Yeah, I'll record the steep part. That is a little butt puckery. I mean, we just came up here, so I know that it's safe, but it's definitely steep. It's 17 degree. I think we're about to be at the steepest part here. 21, 22. You
know, these things, they don't have a little footrest for my
Oh.
left foot just goes way up in there to where there is a footrest you can get, so you have nowhere bracing except
nowhere
for
to
steering.
brace. Yeah.
Well, should we go left or right?
Up to you. I think either way is fine. So maybe it's
That one's way off camber.
a little off camber. Yeah.
Up on that hill there.
Oh yeah, on the hill there. Yeah. All right. We're doing good. Another little steep, rocky part. This is the steepest. Oh yeah, 24, 25. That hit 27 for a second, 28 for a second. It's definitely nose to the ground.
I'd like to have a little lower gearing. These tires gearing it up a little bit too much.
Yeah. It's changed how they drive.
I would gear it down a little bit.
Yeah.
I do have a choice, but it costs money.
Mike's allergic to spending money, which is good. He keeps us in check.